Welcome to beautiful Borgholm here at Öland. It's Saturday morning, 8 a.m, quite empty, only me and some birds in the background. Just walking here in the harbor a bit. And I'm gonna go and have some breakfast at the hotel. I'm staying actually here, Strand Hotel, quite big in the background, but includes a gym. So of course I need to go and exercise before. I heard the breakfast buffet is very nice actually. So I'm gonna enjoy that, probably show some of the clips here in the background. Enjoy some good energy, but before that you need to earn it by exercising. I've been up already editing a bit, but later I'm gonna go and check out the old Borgholm Ruins, old sort of castle area. But right now just walking here, enjoying some of this really beautiful morning view. So yeah, I'm gonna exercise and then I guess I will see you after that amazing breakfast that you will see here in the background. Nice. Yeah, here we have the Swedish approach, trying everything here exotic. That looks like a good strategy. I'm just going very high protein, low carb, saving that for later. But yeah, there are many different ways. Let's enjoy it. We have the herring and the caviar here.
You say caviar?
Caviar, well, I don't know. It's just a little bit, I guess. Not as the Russian caviar, but very nice. Okay, so after that pretty amazing breakfast with a lot of Swedish stuff, really fun to treat my German friend that's sitting with me. We had some herring, some Kalles caviar, some local sausage and some crisp bread. We have now arrived to the main attraction, I guess, Borgholm's slot, or the ruin, Slottsruinen, as you can see here in the background. Hopefully we have a bit of a pile of rocks as well. I'm just gonna walk around here. It's only like 15-20 minutes walk from the city of Borgholm, which is just next door behind here. Just gonna walk around here. I think I was here like 25 years ago, maybe, when I was smaller than now. Walking around and explore a little bit the beautiful background, see what's inside, then walk around. Actually, don't want to be late for the wedding. Quite interesting to be back here, and I see they're preparing for a concert in the background. Pretty cool place or venue actually. I think there are some summer concerts going on, and also brings me back to my childhood days. I think I was here maybe like 25 years ago. Pretty cool background. So apparently they built this in the 1100s, and then it was only one big tower from the beginning. Then they added these walls around it, and then 1500 became more of a fancy castle. But then apparently in the 1600s there was a fire that destroyed it partially, but still have these really cool ruins here. So I'm just gonna walk around and explore these ancient walls, see what we find out. It's really cool to walk around, and actually they put up a lot of medieval activities you can try in the background. This kind of using a fence on a horse and a lot of cool stuff. I really remember being here like 20 or 30 years ago. Really fun to be back here, slightly older, exploring. A lot of kids, only me being a weirdo walking around with the camera, but fun to share with you guys. So I'm just gonna take a bit of a tour here and now we're back to the city. I'm actually walking back now from this old castle, and there's a pretty cool flea market here in the back and selling a lot of local craft stuff and second-hand items. A lot of cool things. If you want to bring some gifts back from Öland, I think this could definitely be a place to check out. But now I'm gonna head down that direction here in the background, have some nice seafood. I think I'm gonna have some shrimp sandwich. I took a sneak peek of the menu. Definitely looking forward to that, getting some nice energy after this walk. And then we'll see what happens. Wedding time, but I'll see you a bit later. Ooh, it looks like we're having the food here. Wow, that is looking promising. Wow, nice. Tack, that is looking amazing.
It's healthier.
That's healthier. I think this is healthy. Nice. Ooh, nice pasta, but I'm gonna stick to the sandwich. Just arrived to the very beautiful church here at Öland. Waiting to go in there, but I'm not gonna film so much out of respect, but really beautiful here with the old style church in the back. It's gonna be really beautiful. Very beautiful. And the dinner is over and the party is starting. Some Avicii Swedish music, of course. Yeah, fantastic. Let's get the party started. Yeah, so after a lot of speeches, it's time to end this evening. And very dark for a very nice sunset. We had some fantastic food in there. A lot of salmon, Swedish buffet. We had some nice rye bread starter, and of course the wedding cake. Really beautiful to see everyone here. A lot of speeches, and the church was really fantastic earlier. But now it's time to end this evening here. I'm gonna leave you guys. If you want to see more of this kind of stuff in the future, leave me a like, Give me a comment if you want to see more, and I will see you in the next video.